Yes, sir. We back, we back, we back. One stop drip shop, unboxing in the Bando. Hey, y'all niggas know how we coming, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know how to explain it. We gonna get into this special little delivery we got here, man. You know what I'm saying? See what we got, man. Alright, shit ready to go. Alright, we ain't shouting nobody out. We ain't got no sponsors. You feel me? This shit just for the love, man. Okay. So y'all going dunk crazy, man. We bowling on niggas, so we still dunking on niggas, man. Going dunk crazy, man. Going dunk crazy. Like I said in the last joint, ain't too much to explain about these shits, man. You seen one pair of dunks, you seen them all. You just gotta get the right color for the right fit. And you know what I mean, some certain colors just mean more, man. Like, I don't know, these black shits is tough, these black and white shits. You feel me? I ain't gonna front. I felt the way getting these shits, man. I should have got the Supreme black and white shits. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna be too. When I'm dripping these, my pride ain't gonna be on the highest, bro. I should have sprung for the Supreme shits. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you, man. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all niggas. I cut corners on this one, man. I did, man. I did. You feel me? I should have sprang for the. I don't know what the Supreme shit's running for right now. Probably like 1,500, 2 bands or some shit. But I should have got those, nigga. Cause you know what happens? When I pull up in these, and a nigga, if some nigga just happen to show up in the Supreme shits, you know what he doing? He's shitting on me, bro. He crushing me, like, you feel what I'm saying? I don't like that feeling, bro. Like, you dig? So to avoid that, you just go for the head honchos, brody. Like, you don't fuck around, play with the little niggas. You just go for the big dogs. You feel me? So when I'm rocking these, I'm gonna have to be looking over my shoulders, nigga. Like, you feel me? I'm gonna have to look over my shoulders, bro. Cause if a nigga pull up in them Supreme shits, it's over for me, bro. You feel me? 187, nigga. Like, I'm clipped. So I say all that to say, man, I ain't too proud of these, bro. I ain't too proud of these, bro. These are good pair of feet, though. For a nigga that don't know what's going on, these is big for him, you know what I'm saying? These is big for him. I kind of rate my Michigans more, you feel me? But it is what it is. It is what it is. I wear a lot of black, you know what I mean? I wear a lot of black and white, so these definitely gonna come in handy, man. Summer vibes, short vibes. You feel me? These is gonna come in handy. You can't go wrong getting them, you know what I mean? You can't go wrong with them. But, like I told you, bro, look over your shoulders, bro. You see a nigga with the Supreme shits, just tuck your feet in, nigga, or just go the other way, bro. Get the fuck out the party, bro. Get out the kickback. Get out the lounge. Wherever the fuck you at, bro, just get out of there, bro. You feel what I'm saying? For a nigga be like, oh, y'all got the same kicks. And then he look close. He be like, nah, bro. It ain't make you hot, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? You don't want that, my nigga. So just get out of there, man. You feel me? But I appreciate y'all tapping in, man. This wasn't going to be a long one, man. Y'all already know what these shits is here for. You feel me? Ain't got to do too much explaining. Do y'all really need a grade on these, man? You know what I'm saying? Do y'all really need a grade, man? These is just a calm. These is a 7, bro. These is a 7. A good 7, though. Good 7. You feel what I'm saying? A good 7, bro. And that's that. I don't always cop the 9. Sometimes you just need a good. Sometimes you know what the sneaker means, so you buy it because you know what it means. You feel what I'm saying? So not every pair I'm going to be unboxing is a 10, a 9. You rarely get a 10 grade. But a 10 is the holy grail. Not every joint I'm going to be unboxing is going to be a 9, an 8. Sometimes you might catch me with a 7, bro. You know what I'm saying? You might catch me with a 7, bro. I try not to get nothing, no average feats, no 5s, no 6s, and no shit like that. But, nigga, you never know, man. I could buy some shit that I think is a 7. I get it in my crib. The shit turns to a fucking 5 on me. Like, you feel me? But he's a calm 7, man. I appreciate y'all stopping by, fucking with a real nigga. You know what I'm saying? Or, damn, I should have had these shits up here for the whole vid, right? Fuck it, nigga. This ain't no professional shit, man. It's a street nigga on YouTube, bro. That's all it is, man. But One Stop Drip Shop, appreciate y'all stopping by, unboxing in the Bando. Play at the stay ahead, nigga. Be about your bread, though, man. Be about your money, my boy. You feel what I'm saying? Be about your money, nigga. Be about some loyalty. You dig? Do it for the fam, nigga. Yeah, we about this shit, though, man. One Stop Drip Shop, unboxing in the Bando. We out.